Diversion and relaxation. For a quick and long-lasting recovery, distraction and relaxation are vitally essential. They are essential to changing your old, worried routines for new, healthy ones. Stop looking for other therapies to help your problem. Don't pay attention to your nervous thoughts. To do this, come up with a distraction strategy. Regain the habits of regular life and adhere to them despite your emotions. Act without planning anything. Give yourself no time to mull about the repercussions or find an explanation. Do not dwell on your bad emotions. Sleep to stop having bad dreams at night. Try to avoid going to the doctor. Stop taking your medication. Do this gently and under medical supervision. Stop looking up treatments, cures, and prescriptions for your illness. The most crucial information you will ever read about treating the signs of your ongoing panic and anxiety illness comes in this part, together with the ones on proper breathing and posture. These guidelines are essential. They are what prevent you from feeling healthy. Fact: anxiety, panic, and phobias are examples of repetitive, ritualistic cycles that cause us to feel differently about ourselves, other people, and the world at large. We do this unconsciously to protect ourselves from physical and emotional harm, but we can also do it consciously by avoiding risk and focusing on what's happening to us and inside of us. This is known as introspection. The term introspective refers to the way we constantly track every anxiety-related feeling, sensation, and symptom. As this tracking becomes obsessive, it replaces and diverts our attention from normal daily activities and causes us to concentrate on our own problems instead. This habitually destructive preoccupation spreads and engulfs us. Our brains are hard at work creating neural connections to create automatic, subconscious reactions to anxious stimuli as our subconscious starts to believe that our actions, symptoms, and thoughts are normal. We train ourselves to feel uneasy, and in return, our mind accepts that new learning is the norm. Although we consciously know that we don't feel right, our brain believes that it is acting properly. The symptoms intensify, the worry increases, the brain interprets this as normal, we become ill, and the cycle repeats. Have you ever noticed that occasionally the things you do temporarily blind you to how you are feeling? This is due to the fact that you are temporarily tricking your subconscious mind into thinking your obsessive, anxious thoughts are not real. Your subconscious mind is being distracted by your conscious mind through your activities by offering it something far more engaging and cozy to focus on. This lessens the focus on your anxiety to a point where your symptoms go away and you may resume your usual feelings, thoughts, and behaviors. This can very seldom occur when anxiety levels are really high. It happened to me several times when I was healing, but it didn't happen when anxiety levels were quite high. But this doesn't mean that I'm any more sick or that I won't heal. Look at me now. My doctors thought I was destined for an anxious life. If they tell you that you are too, or that you will always feel worried, they are wrong. You do this yourself, but while you were distracted, you felt better. Eventually, when you finished doing that activity, you consciously became aware of your anxiousness again. This is comparable to the situation where someone is traveling from point A to point B and forgets the route. You have been alert the entire time, looking around, and appear to be conscious, yet you have no memory of anything. It makes perfect sense that your brain operates on autopilot, your subconscious takes control, and your conscious mind refrains from thinking conscious thoughts, preventing the consciously manufactured symptoms, in the case of worry, from manifesting. You can train your conscious mind to be distracted by using distraction techniques, which will then divert your subconscious mind. With practice, your old nervous behavior will be replaced by new, anxiety-free thoughts that are healthy, interesting, refreshed, and renewed. My panic episodes disappeared after I realized how to change my bad habits in a matter of minutes. How effective this is and how quickly this may work, I cannot tell you strong enough. Trust me, this actually works. Many others who wanted to become better again have done it as well as I have. It requires patience and perseverance, but if you use the best distraction strategies, you'll see results right away. You may believe that this is too wonderful to be true, but you must realize that all you are actually doing is undoing the psychological damage that was initially responsible for your anxiety. Relaxation. There are numerous ways to unwind. Relaxation doesn't just entail lounging on the couch in front of the TV. By encouraging the body to release tension and clearing the mind of all worries and tensions, relaxation is the act of escaping the stresses and strains of daily life. Exercise and other forms of activities can help you relax. It's not necessary to be in a trance or be hypnotized. Relaxing activities can be anything that serves as a distraction from your worries, tensions, or concerns. The majority of people who experience anxiety will claim that they are unable to relax, However, this is primarily due to their reluctance to let go and is the result of their general desire for control. This may also be the case because while one is trying to relax, the stillness or silence of the surroundings might highlight signs and feelings that could normally go unnoticed, such as hearing one's breathing, heartbeat, or having muscle spasms, for example. This is entirely typical. This experience can be diminished by using effective relaxation techniques. The more you do so, the less bothersome these distracting sensations will be. Hobbies are an excellent example of an activity that can be used by many people to unwind and completely occupy their brains. Others have to put forth extra effort to reach this degree of relaxation, taking classes in yoga, meditation, or relaxation techniques. Some people find that their stress serves as a mask or a barrier to hide behind, and they think that in order to truly relax, they may have to face their concerns. Meditation. For thousands of years, people have used meditation as a kind of relaxation. Despite the Western tradition of meditation, it is most likely most famous in the context of the Buddhist faith and unquestionably comes from Far Eastern practices. As non-religious versions of meditation may be found following many sports, martial arts, and dance practices, relaxing has become increasingly popular in recent years. Chants or mantras are used in many different types of meditation. Similar to prayers, these mantras are spoken repeatedly to direct the mind away from other intrusive and harmful thoughts and to direct the subconscious mind towards positive words or phrases that support mind reprogramming. Meditation entails sitting extremely comfortably, generally on the floor, with a straight back while breathing slowly and regularly. It is incredibly useful for both the mind and the body. It helps by regulating the aberrant breathing patterns observed in anxiety as well as stretching those fatigued and achy muscles and widening your chest cavity. This has clear positive impacts on your stress levels. Yoga, which originated in the Far East as well, consists of exercises meant to widen the spaces between muscles and bones, allowing the body to breathe easily and the blood to flow properly, so restoring balance to each bodily system. The idea behind these workouts is to encourage the body's innate capacity for self-healing. The fundamentals of yoga are the same regardless of the form you choose to practice. Yoga is great for extending your body and developing proper breathing methods. It also incorporates some meditation techniques. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.